Hello everyone, this is Canon printer. I received a question. Someone asked how to download and install Canon print app. Is the app you need to connect your mobile phone, iPad, iPhone with any Canon printer. If you purchase the printer new, it usually comes with this leaflet. If you want to connect it with your computer, you go to this website or use your mobile phone to scan the QR code. It will take you to Play Store. On my mobile phone, this is QR code. Then take the leaflet and scan it. Then open link. We show you the printer. Select start. You select start. Setting up a new printer or connect computer and smartphone. Then select set up a new printer. Set up a new printer. Download Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store. It will take you to Google Play Store on your phone. So you need to install Canon Print app. Or you can go to Google Play Store and install Canon Print apps. So select install. This is the app you need to connect pretty much all the Canon printer with your mobile phone. So the app is installing. You also need to make sure you have enough space. You can go to your phone settings and type storage to make sure you have enough space to install the app. But I have enough space. So before you start installing the app, you need to make sure you have enough space. App is installed. Then select open. This is Canon Print app. Storage, precise location, and nearby device. You need to allow, select yes to allow this permission. Select permissions, camera, location, and nearby device. So you need to select on the camera and allow using this app. Then go back. So camera is allowed. Then location, select allow using this app so that you're able to find the printer. So camera is allowed. Nearby device, select allow. Then go back. Nearby device is allowed. Then also select photo and video. Select on it so that you can print photo. Select allow. Then you go back. So if you look, you see Canon print. Camera is allowed in case if you want to capture document from your camera and send it to the printer to print out. And also location, nearby device, and photo. So these are the things you need to make sure you give the permission so that you can use the printer. Then, and once you've done that, it will show you the app. This is the app. If you want to set up a new printer, you select search or add and switch or search for printer. It will start to search for available printer within the environment. So this is how to install Canon Print app on your Android phone. Thank you very much indeed.